Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Charlotte of the EndLights Diaries. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use an extension in Google Chrome that you need to download in order for you to monitor or see your entire participants when you are having or conducting a virtual meeting using the Google Meet. So sometimes we're having a difficulty for us teachers, especially when we are having virtual meeting using the Google Meet. Every time we are already presenting our material, only limited number of participants are being visible in your screen. So that is one problem, especially when you're teaching kids. How will you be able to monitor them if they're still there during your meeting, during your online class? So that is one problem that we are going to fix today, using only one extension that you can download to your Google Chrome for you to be able to view the entire participants when you're having your online class. So first thing that you have to do is to go, of course, to open your browser. So go to Google Chrome and make sure that you're already logged in to your email account. I am already logged in my email account. So the next thing that you have to do is to search for Google Grid View Fix. Okay, so I'll repeat. You need to Google Grid View Fix, not this grid. Google Meet. So you have the choices there: Google Meet Grid View, and the other one is Google Meet Grid View Fix. So I would suggest that you need to click this one. Okay, fix. So here it is now, Google Meet Grid Fix. After clicking it, so as you can see, this is an extension in your Google Store. So Google Meet Grid View Fix. So this is how it should look like. So all you have to do is to just click one button or icon there for you to be able to make use of this extension. Okay. Now, we are going to download this already. All you have to do is to click on Add Extension or Add to Chrome. Okay, so this one, you need to click this one, Add to Chrome. Okay, and then this will appear. Add Google Meet Grid View Fix. Can read and change your data on the meet.google.com. Yes, because this icon will be added to your Google Meet settings. Okay, so click Add Extension. You can turn on sync or you can just exit this. Google Meet Grid View Fix has been added to your Google Chrome. So use this extension by clicking on this icon that you will be able to see on your Google Meet settings. Manage your extensions by clicking Extensions in the Tools menu. Actually, there are other extensions that are available for you that you can download that will be of help for us teachers. So there's already an automated attendance for that every time you're having your online class or your Google meeting. All you have to do is to just download another extension to your Google Chrome. It will automatically appear on your Google Meet setting. Okay, so just exit. Then we go now to our Google meeting to check. Okay, so we go back now. So we are going to have a meeting now. Okay, so you see this one. Okay, on the upper part of your Google Meet settings, you will see there originally you have this time and then chat box and then the number of participants that are present in your Google meeting or your online class. And then once you're already added this extension to your Google Chrome, this icon will automatically appear on your Google Meet settings. So this is called the Google Meet grid fix. Okay, grid view. Okay, so let me explore this one. So you will have here only show participants with a video. Okay, so those who are not having video, when you click this one, will not be seen or will not appear in your screen. Okay, highlight speakers, include yourself on the grid, enable grid view by default, and enable screen capture mode. So those are the choices that you can click in order for you to customize your settings on the Google Meet grid view. Okay, let's click on this view advanced settings. Okay, for view advanced settings, we have the bottom toolbar behavior, resize grid when toolbar is showing. Okay, then chat and people behavior, resize grid when chat is showing. Keep video mirrored. Okay, mirrored. Flip video to match what others see. So I'm actually having a problem with this one. I cannot flip the video, so I want to set this as flip video to match what others see. Okay, then own presentation behavior, modify participant's name. Okay, so video quality. Okay, so those are the advanced settings. That's not important. Okay, so all you have to do is to just click this one and you'll be able to see all your participants during the meeting. Okay, now when you click these three dots here on the bottom right of your Google Meet, you will find this change layout, full screen, switch camera. If you're having two cameras at the same time, then your settings. So we have to go to the change layout. We have here available layouts already. This one. So originally, you only have this auto tiled spotlight and then sidebar. When you click on the tiled, actually there are only about, I think, 16 or 20 participants that are allowed or that are visible on your screen. When you click on auto, it means to say that the computer or your Google Meet does the task in choosing whatever it wants to show or to appear on your screen. And then spotlight, then the sidebar. Now, when you click on the tile, you will see here maximum tiles to display depending on the window size selection. So you can move your cursor to 49 for you to be able to see more of your students or more participants. Okay, you just have to move it there. But of course, the tile gets smaller once you move it to your right. No, it gets smaller once you move it to your right as many participants appear on your screen, the tile gets smaller. So it's only that. See? So in my case, I'm the only participant in this Google meeting. So just for the sake of demonstrating it and how you can download this extension to Google Chrome and how it's being done or how it's being useful to us teachers. Okay, so that's it. It's very simple. Try it for yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching. Again, this is Charlotte of the EndLights Diaries. See ya!